What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker pickup video. All right, so in my last video, I said that I would be having a pair of shoes arrive from a company that I don't have in my collection. All right, and I didn't think that shoe was gonna get here that fast, but they're here. They got here today. That was quick. That was really quick. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. First pair of this company in my collection. I have a lot of shoes in this collection, as you all can see. And this is the first time that this brand makes its way to my Shoetopia. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. As you can see, boom. I don't even know how these fit because I've never owned a pair. I've never tried them on. I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous. You see this tape here? Tape here. That might give it away at the top there. Let's go ahead. I haven't even cracked it open. I haven't even seen them myself. So as you all see my reaction, this is how it's gonna be, man. True unboxing right here. Haven't done a true unboxing in a while. Okay, get my shank out the way. And this looks like this is, okay, that's just the return. That's just the return slip there in case I need to return these. Okay, I opened it up the wrong way. All right, let's put the box over there. And this appears to be the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Let's go ahead and get into these. Boom. White box, as you can see. And then Vans, off the wall. A Tribe Called Quest. Boom. Yes, sir. Right there. And then on the top again, it says A Tribe Called Quest. Bam. Real hip-hop stuff right here. And that is why I picked these up, because I'm a fan of hip-hop music, and I am also a fan of A Tribe Called Quest. So these are the Vans Old School, A Tribe Called Quest Black, US size 13. All right, so I've never had any Vans, so I don't know how Vans fit. But the way that I look at Vans, I see them fitting like Chuck Taylors fit. And for Chuck Taylors, I go down to a size 13. Like I have to wear 13 in Chuck Taylors. So I was assuming that these would fit the same way. Hopefully I am right. And I didn't just order the wrong size. So let's go ahead and get into these. Man, first pair of Vans, baby. Ooh, we got some nice Tribe Called Quest paper in there. The little plastic that's going around there, if you all can see those little figures. All right. Let's go ahead and open those up. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right. Of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes. I like these. I like them. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These Tribe Called Quest boys. Man. These are, man, I'm stunned right now, man. I'm stunned looking at these. I kind of just want to get straight to the on feet so that I can see if these fit the right way, man. Very dope, man. Very dope. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Right here, baby. Where's the laces? They're tucked down deep in there. All right. I'm stunned. Okay, we got all the names, it looks like, of the albums on the shoelaces here. So these are based on pretty much the cover of the Low End Theory album cover. And also how the Tribe Called Quest, they always have these colors on like pretty much every album cover. At least the three that I have. I have Midnight Marauders, the latest one, We Got It For Here, Thank You, and the Low End Theory. These colors are all on those album covers. But this is more so based off of the Low End Theory album cover with that black, and then you have the green and the black and the red throughout the shoe. Man, these are nice, man. You got a little bit of a suede going on there. If you all can see that suede action there on the toe box area and going up the side here. A little bit of suede action for you. And more suede on the back. A little nappy suede there on the back. Very nice. This, you got some leather on the inside. Got a little bit of leather going around the inside there. And we have an extra pair of laces. These are just straight black laces on the inside. Vans Off the Wall right there. And then these says on the back of this tag, it says, "Two tribes unite, can we kick it? A Tribe Called Quest and Vans team up on a collection of footwear paying tribute to the iconic alternative hip-hop group. Inspired by the impact on culture, Vans presents a truly unique collaboration that celebrates style, art, music, and authenticity." Very dope shoe, man. Then we go to the tongue, and it's a Tribe Called Quest on the tongue there. And then on the back, it says Thread Shop, a division of Sony Music Entertainment on the back there. And then on the inside with on the foot area, the Vans, and you have that Tribe Called Quest there on the inside. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that for you. Boom. And then on the bottom, we got your gum bottoms. We got our gum bottoms there. And just as I mentioned before, the album covers and songs throughout the shoelaces, man. We got People, Instinctive Travel, and the Path of Rhythm, Low End Theory, Midnight Marauders, all their album titles, A Tribe Called Quest, Beats, Rhymes, and Life. All that is throughout the shoelaces, which is a very dope touch. So, you know what we gotta do? Let's go ahead and get these boys on feet. All right, let's go ahead and get these boys on. Please, God, please, speak of guys. Hope they fit, man. Hope they fit, because I ain't never had no Vans. And I can't just go to a mall here and try them on, so sliding the left boy in. Uh-oh. Success. I was right. Okay. I was right. They fit like Chuck Taylors. Okay. Whew, lucky guess, man. Lucky guess. Never tried no Vans on before, so I didn't know. But, yes, sir. They feel just right. Perfect. Let me go ahead and do a little bit of a lace up for you. All right. So here they are on feet. I don't really I don't really know how to lace them up, right? But yep, trying to figure out the lacing situation here. But man, they fit just right. Whew. I was nervous. I was nervous about that. I was nervous about that size. So if anybody's wondering, and you're like me, and you haven't rocked Vans before in your life, go a size down. For me, a size down fits perfectly. These are a 13, so size down, or a half size down, because I'm actually a true size 13 and a half, but you know, I normally rock a 14 in most shoes, so I went down to a 13. And these work perfectly fine. Man, these are clean. These are clean right here, man. I like trying new stuff out. You know, that's something that's outside the norm. Something outside of what I would normally get. And here is a little bit of that booty view. Some of that booty view for y'all. Gum bottoms. Man. Boom. Boom. Of course, I'm going to remove all the tags and stuff on there. Get some of that laces in your life. Low end theory on you. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. More content is definitely on the way. Man, definitely a dope shoe, man. First Van shoe in Shoetopia, as I like to call this area. Very dope, man. And you know, another good thing about this shoe is that it's cheap amongst prices of you know, most shoes. Look at this shoe. Look how dope this shoe is. Vans off the wall, Vans old school, a collab shoe with Tribe Called Quest, and it was only 75 bucks. 75 bucks. So 85 with, you know, with the shipping, but 75 bucks, man, for a nice shoe like this. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to get a nice quality sneaker. 75 bucks gets you a nice Vans collab with Tribe Called Quest, man. And I can't wait to rock these out. These feel, I never knew Vans were comfortable. Why didn't nobody tell me about Vans? Like, these are dope. I guess it took hip hop to go with the nice Tribe Vans with the black and the red and the green. And for me to you know, finally get down on the Vans. But you know, once one pair comes, now your eyes are open and now you know how they fit. So now you're gonna be like, yeah, I can definitely rock with this model some more. And I had to go with the low because I never have lows and chucks, but I saw these and I saw this color. I said, this is the one I got to go with. But anyway, that's gonna be it, man. Thank you all for your support. I truly appreciate it. Like I said, more content is on the way, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.